Hi everybody, how's it going? It's going good here, so excuse me. My son's sick right now, so I've been taking care of him since yesterday. So when his school called me and said that he's had a fever, so yeah, I've been taking care of him. His fever broke, so he don't have a fever anymore, but I'm still giving him medicine and everything. We're thinking he's probably got the flu or something, so, but he's acting like he's okay, like he's acting like he's not sick, but he is. So, but probably see my boyfriend today. So my boyfriend doesn't mind if he comes with us, so, but, yeah. Yeah, so I'm keeping my son home till Monday. So, ugh. But anyways.